Hello students, welcome to my channel Foundation Mathematics. In this video, I will discuss a very easy sum from the topic Arithmetic Progression, and you see the part question, it says that we have to explain the double answer. That means we are definitely going to get two answers, two values of the unknown, and we have to justify that. So let's start with the sum. We have to find out the number of terms of the AP 63, which starts with 63 and gradually decreases because 60 is less than 63, 57 is less than 60. So you see that it is a decreasing sequence, and we have to find out the number of terms such that the sum of those terms is given to be 693. So the first term which is denoted by A is 63, and common difference of the AP which is denoted by D is obviously minus 3. It's 60 minus 63. You can also write 57 minus 60. It's the same thing. So it is minus 3. So you see that it is a decreasing sequence, and we have to find out the number of terms such that we are getting this sum. Sn should be equal to 693. Sn should be equal to 693, and we have to find that particular value of n which gives us the sum equal to 693. Now we know that there are two formula for Sn. Let us recapitulate. Sn, when the first and last term are given, can be written as n by 2 a1 plus an, that is n by 2 into sum of the first and the last term. But suppose the last term is not given to us, then we can use the second formula, that is Sn equals to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where obviously a is the first term and d is the common difference. So in this case also we will use the second formula because the last term is not known to us. Since we have to find out the number of terms, let us assume the number of terms to be n. So let the number of terms be n. Now what are we given? We are given that Sn is equal to 693. So this means n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 693, right? So let us simplify this first. So we have n by 2 into 126, that is double of 63. This gives us minus 3n, and minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. This is equal to 693. Now simplifying further, we have n by 2, 126 plus 3 gives us 129, minus 3n is equal to 693. You see, we can factorize this, we can take 3 common. So what are we left with? We have 3n by 2, this is 43 minus n is equal to 693. So that means we have, by dividing with 3 on both sides, we have n by 2, 43 minus n is equal to 231, because 693 divided by 3 gives us 231. So now we have 43n minus n square is equal to 462. 2. So we'll get a quadratic equation in terms of n, which is n square minus 43n plus 462 equals to 0. Now we can split this by middle term factorization. So we have n square minus 21n minus 22n plus 462 equals to 0. 21 plus 22 gives us 43. So obviously minus 21 minus 22 will give us minus 43, and 21 into 22 is 462. So factorize this and we get n minus 21 minus 22 n minus 21 equals to 0. So you are getting two answers. You are getting two values of n. One is 21 and one is 22. Quite interesting, right? So n is 21 or 22. Rather, it will take both the values. Okay. So basically, we have to justify this double answer. Why is S21? Why is the sum of the first 21 terms equal to 693? Also, the sum of the first 22 terms equal to 693. So you see that S22 is basically S21, that is the sum of the first 21 terms plus the 22nd term. And this is possible, the two values will be same only when A22 is equal to 0. So we will check the value of A22, and that is the only justification for this double answer. So what are we getting? What is A22? We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A22 will definitely be A plus 21 and D is minus 3. So what do we get? 63 minus 63, which gives us 0. So A22 is 0, and so we can say that the sum of the first 21 terms is exactly same as the sum of the first 22 terms, and hence we can justify the double answer. I hope you have found this video useful. You can write to me in the comment section, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.